How do you cite Snapchat in the Harvard style? This is how you do it for your reference list or for your works cited list in this order. You will need an authorship if it's available. If not, you can use the title. So you're looking for a surname followed by the comma and an initial, full stop. And then in round brackets you will need to put in the year that the page was published or last updated. Next up in square brackets is Snapchat, and then finally you'll need to put in the day or the month of the posted message. If you'd like a template to enable you to copy and paste that information into your own work and edit it with your own information, do check out the description below, and whilst you're there, hit that subscribe button to start learning for free now, smash the like button and drop us a comment below.